Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on .org.au domain contacts in domain contact presets on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account and then select profile. Now scroll down, select tools. Now scroll down again, select domain contact presets manage button. Now scroll down till the last, and here you guys can see this option right here called .org.au domain contacts. Now tick this button, fill up all of these details and scroll down and then select save changes. And that's how you guys can successfully turn on .org.au domain contacts on domain contact presets in NameCheap. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.